Hi, this video is to show you how to take the course introduction or course orientation quiz. So what you want to do first is open up your module 1 folder, and you'll see here I closed it. Now I'm going to open it up, and once you've watched the course introduction recording, read the syllabus, looked through everything, you'll want to take the quiz. You'll notice that this is a specialist assignment because there's points attached to it. So you will click on the quiz, and I'm going to click preview because I don't have a student view. So this is as close to a student view that I can get for you. And you'll see that there's directions for the quiz, and then there's a quiz. Now let me tell you, you must take this quiz as often as you need to until you get 100%. If you get anything less than 100%, you need to go back and retake it. So they're mostly true and false questions. So once you answer this question, you'll click either true or false. You'll click next. Once you're done to the very end, you'll click the submit quiz button. The big thing you want to do is go to your gradebook and make sure you see a submission time and date stamp so that you know it got submitted. And that's it for this assignment. Bye-bye.